Who doesn't love a Michael Kors tote, right? This one is beautiful. It's in this gorgeous khaki green colour in Saffiano leather, so it's got that beautiful cross-hatching effect and is going to be strong and secure and is going to hold its shape. It's got top handles, so you can have it either handheld, under your arm or across your shoulder. But it also comes with this strap, which means it's longer so you can have shoulder gain, or it means you can have crossbody. And this longer strap is adjustable, so you could have it either longer or shorter than I've just had it. It comes with Michael Kors dust bag, and it's in excellent condition. So the exterior is in excellent condition, the interior is in excellent condition, and the hardware is in excellent condition. It's just a really fabulously looked after bag. Well, I don't think it's not a used bag, that's why. Okay, so let's show you the Michael Kors on the front. And also we've got Michael Kors here. Now, as with all Michael Kors bags, it's full of compartments and pockets, so I'm going to endeavour to talk you through the features of this bag. So first of all, we have this, I don't know what it's called, but you know when you slide it sort of on the suitcase, your suitcase handles, so it can sort of stay attached. So there's that there with Prested for when it's not in use. And then inside, so at the top, it's a Prested closure. And then inside, the main compartment of the bag is this pale line, so you can see what's going on. But it has this full-size insert as well, in a sort of almost waterproof fabric. This is removable, so with these straps on the side, you can either have it in or you can have it out. This has got lots of pockets, so let's get started. So on the back of the insert, there are 2 flat pockets, and also on the front of the insert there are 2 flat pockets and also Michael Kors. The insert has got a zip top closure. It says Michael Kors on the zip. And then inside, more pockets. So we have got 1 zipped pocket and 1 flat pocket, and then on this side there are 4 flat pockets. So it's, you know, typical Michael Kors. I don't know what he thinks we carry, but we need a lot of pockets apparently when we travel. So there's pocket madness, plus your suitcase attachment on the front, on the back there as well. As I said, excellent condition, a beautiful colour, never been used, fantastic travel companion. The link to this product is below in the comments. If you click the link, it will take you straight to the product on our website. Also, if you, whilst on our website, scroll to the bottom, sign up to our newsletter, and you'll get 10% discount code sent to you to use on your next purchase. Also, there is a link below if you want to follow us on Instagram, where you will get daily updates of all the gorgeous bags we have coming in.